Good morning, this is Joan of Art here at Sicogon, Puni, and I'm taking advantage of this early morning sunrise. I really like the morning glow. This is called the golden hour of photographers. That time of the day when the sun exudes a golden glow. Also, let's discuss the ebb and flow of the tide. So low tide is called hunas. When it's high tide, it's taob. I think I've discussed it before in some of my past videos, but I would just like to take advantage of this to discuss about Sicogon, to feature Sicogon Island also. That's Mount Opao. I've been there. And what else? Tauhai. I've also discussed that before. It means relaxing. And let's take a walk at the beach. Lakat-lakat. Lakat means to walk. And lakat-lakat is a little walk. Good morning from Sicogon Island. This is Army.
Hi!
And morning. Good morning. Maayong aga. We're having a little walk. Lakat-lakat at the beach. Pulo pamasyar. Lagaw is an Ilonggo word which means to explore. It's a different word from like bisita or pamasyar, which means to visit. So we are not just visiting Sicogon, but doing lagaw, or a little exploration of the place. So, malagaw kita. Malagaw. That's the future tense. Naglagaw, that's already past tense. So, nagalagaw. Like right now, we are doing the nagalagaw. Hi, Sherwin! It's a beautiful glow. Namian gig ko. So, nami is nice. So, namian, I like it. Namian. Nice long shadows. Shadow is Lando. Lando, that's my shadow. Just having fun here. Basking in the golden sunlight. Oh! Hey! Yes. There's a puffer fish. Butete. Let me see the butete. Wow. That's the butete. It's a fish with a big stomach. So everybody with a big stomach is also called, jokingly, butete. Bye-bye, butete. Where is he? This is the place where pinakamagandang hayop sa balat ng lupa. 70s movie by Gloria Diaz was filmed, and that's why we're wearing this iconic costume. Now we're doing a sequel. Pinakamagandang lupa sa balat ng hayop. Pinakahayop na ganda sa balat ng lupa. A saying that means the most beautiful animal on the face of the earth. Because Miss Gloria Diaz is Miss Universe, the first. So that's Philippines pride. And this island was also Philippines pride during her prime. And it's making a comeback. Sicogon from Huni Resort. See you in our next video. This is Joan of Art, Wency, Sherwin, Army, and Rams. See you in our next video. Bye-bye for now. Mwah! From Sicogon. And our trademark.
Sa mountain, no?